Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to disable the suggestion when you type in on Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro, which is this is the very high-end, very new from the Xiaomi Redmi Note series that I'm using it. It's very good. How to disable this suggestion when you type in. For instance, I want to type in for elephant. So when I type in elef, it's already suggestion elephant, also the emoji. So how to disable this feature? What you have to do, you go to your settings, you just find Gboard on your settings. So this is your normally common settings, and then find Gboard, and then click on the Gboard itself. And then after that, you can see this is the option of text correction. You just click on this one, and then you turn off this show suggestion strip and next word suggestions, turn it off, and then that's it, you're good to go. And then you can use your keyboard without any suggestion anymore. As you can see now, if I type in, for instance, elephant, there are no suggestion around here. So easy. That's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.